All right, so I guess I'll do a little mini look for you guys. I have 10 minutes to do my face and I'm not playing. I already set my timer. Okay, so I'm starting off with my e.l.f. primer. And I will list all products down below. You want to know? Go check below. This is just a little mini look for me, like a little slight makeup look. Let's hit these brows up. Why did I just blow this? Target, you not rushing that much. I am. I got 9 minutes. Okay. Take my Laura, set my face while I'm at it because I need to conceal my hyperpigmentation around my mouth. Orange color corrector. I can't help but to show y'all. Like, what is wrong with me? Didn't I just say don't show? Oh. Blend it out. I ain't do too much this time because I'm not putting on foundation. Okay. I ain't gonna make it. I'm gonna use this brow kit because it comes with this brow gel that's on a spoolie and it just makes the process easier. This helps me fill in my brows rather quickly. Look at that. Because I don't have time today. Okay, I'm also going to go on that palette and set it with this brown shadow. Of course, you got to set it. Anything dealing with cream, you need to set it with powder. I need to go get my eyebrows done. I'm going to take y'all with me. And homegirl better not mess me up. So I feel like I've been doing a little thick lately. Oh, I got 6 minutes. So I'm going to tell her make them a little thinner so that when I fill them in, they're not so thick. Okay, that's good. Now my concealer in the color Toffee. Come on, is this Toffee or Fawn? Okay, I'm going to use Fawn today because I already got it out. I used to use Fawn and then lately I've been doing Toffee because it's like not so orange, I guess, because that's what the girlies doing on TikTok and I like that look. Y'all know I live on TikTok even though I don't post on there. I'm starting posting on there though. When people say they do their brows in 2-3 minutes, there's no way. Somebody lying. Especially if you're doing concealer. So I wasn't going to do foundation, but I am going to use this BB cream. So let's do the BB cream right quick. I got 2 minutes. That's a joke. Rolling. 1 minute 45 seconds. Somebody lying. And you know, if you want to get that makeup look, but you don't want to use foundation, you want something like really sheer, just get a BB cream. And this BB cream is by Maybelline. And look at that. Okay, let's put 5 minutes on it. Let's do 15 minutes. Okay, 15 minutes. Okay, it took me 10 minutes to do this. Maybe if I just shut up. Concealer, I'm just going to use this Born This Way concealer. Usually I'll use this and a lighter one, but we're only going to do this one today. Look right here. All right. Dang, what is this, a 20-minute face? And I'm trying to keep it as simple as possible. Like, any simpler, if that's a word, it'd just be mascara, brows, and gloss. Maybe some blush. If you want it really simple. But BFFFR. The girls that get it. The girls that don't. Okay, concealer with the Ruby Kisses. This must get oily because why are you in the pan like this? I don't know if I'm going to be able to continue to use this. Because if you get oily in the pan, you're going to get oily on my face. And I tend to get oily. Okay, let's make sure that's blended out. Alright, let me hit this nose up. 1 minute 15 seconds. Oh, really? Hell, this is a video within itself, just no edits. Maybe I can do that. What's next? Shh, what's next? Maybe I'll put a little eyeshadow on my lid. Not the fact that I had to tell myself to shh so I could think. And this is eyeshadow base. I mean, you need it. You need some type of base because there's no way I could just put eyeshadow straight on my eyelid. Now, granted, I did use concealer, but this gonna make it pop, gonna make it last. And I just got a comment. Let me see if I can find it. And my girl asked me if I can do a shorter makeup look using less products. Baby, this is as short as it gonna get. Now, you let me know if you need it even shorter than this. And like I said, I would just do... Wait a minute. Stop. This ready to be 20 minutes. Let's add 5 more minutes. Okay, so this is where I'm at for about 15 minutes. Yeah, if this is still too many products, going in with my contour kit. Baby, let me know and I'll just do brows, mascara on my lid, and I'll do my lips. I won't even color correct. Okay, what we at? What we looking? Okay, got 4 minutes. All right, now let's do a little bit of the darker color, deepen in the sides. I like to do this, give it some dimension. Yes, I put a little work into my face. You know, a little something. Okay, I probably should have set my under eye after I did that concealer, but I'm all over the place right now. I can't even think. Shh, what am I doing? Okay, gonna do a little something on my lid. Just do a little pop of this kind of cream color here at the bottom. This is a palette I got out of my BoxyCharm subscription. Natasha. Let's try to blend that together. Yeah. Wait, I didn't put too much brown over there. Let's blend you back over. Cool, that's the eyes. We're gonna put a little shimmer. Ooh, that did it. Okay, now let's set. But at first, let me make sure I ain't got no lines. 2 minutes and 34 seconds. Well, 2 minutes and 30 now. And we're gonna take Laura Mercier. This is a dry beauty blender. Like if you do concealer underneath your eyes, you have to set it. Now granted, you do not have to use a color this light, but you will need to at least use like some type of pressed powder if you don't want to use a loose powder. Just set everywhere. I put highlight and my upper lip, baby. Got to get the lip. Yep. What's next? Oh, I need to set my contour with the powder. Side of my nose. Okay, now let's brush this off. I like to brush it off with pressed powder. That's my color. Ah! Bro, there's no way. Let's do 3 more minutes. So this is 20 minutes. Okay, I'm going in with my Patrick Star so we can do a little blushy blush. Yes, I'm blushing. Take this big foundation brush with my pressed powder and let's brush off all of this extra highlight. Brush out my nose. Okay, that's looking a little harsh. So we'll go back in this Real Technique brush and just kind of brush out this contour. Fix Plus. Let's set it off. We're going to do mascara. Okay, now the lips. Alright, and then I like to use this. I got out a BoxyCharm kit. You know, put that in the center. And that's it. We're going to keep it matte. Okay. 23 minutes. Not that many products. Alright. One thing about me, I'm going to touch some shit once it's done. I really want to use this Fenty mascara, but I think it's waterproof. It got to be waterproof because the shit don't move. Even when I want it to move.